welcome to my video. I am Ayu Seniari. Today I'm going to do my routine skincare. Everyone have routine skincare, right? Routine skincare is skincare that used in daily. Everyone use it before they to do their activities or before they go to sleep in the night and so on. Actually, I don't have so many skincare because I just use skincare according to the needs of my face skin. Okay, let's start. First, wash your face. You can use any type of facial wash according to the needs of your face skin. I wash my face with Pond's facial foam. Why I choose this product? Because Pond is very suitable for my face skin. Now I use Pond's White Beauty with Spotless Glow. There are some benefits that match of my face skin in this variant, such as can lift dead skin cells on the face, can brighten your face, and can disguise dark spots on your face. How to wash the face with facial wash is very easy, as you can do, guys. Wet your face with water, then pour Pond's on the palm. After that, rub until the foam comes out. Next, rub it on the face evenly, then rinse thoroughly. 2. Use milk cleanser. Use milk cleanser is very important after you wash your face, guys, because it can clean your face completely. There are any type of milk cleanser, but I choose milk cleanser from Viva's product. I use variant of Yambin. How to use milk cleanser is also easy, guys. Wipes milk cleanser evenly on your face. After that, rubs it with cotton until the impurities comes out and adhere the cotton. Use tonic water. After use milk cleanser, you must use tonic water also for cleanse the remaining impurities removed by the milk cleanser earlier. I use tonic water from Viva's product too, variant of Yambin. How to use it? There are pour tonic water on the cotton, then rubs on your face evenly. Four, use moisturizer. After the tonic water has penetrated, next I use a moisturizer. Use moisturizer is very important for me, guys, because it can moisturize my dry skin. I use moisturizer from Warda's product. This moisturizer has soft texture with aloe vera gel. I will use it. Put moisturizer on the face, furthermore wipes it evenly with hands. Now it is 10 p.m. I will show you about my short routine skincare before I go to sleep. First, wash your face. Wash your face as always, as you can do with facial wash. 2. Use sheet mask. You can use any type of sheet mask, but I use sheet mask from Rorek. I choose sheet mask with variant of olive. There are some benefits that match of my face skin, such as can moisturizing beauty to help improve the dry skin, add moisture to the skin, moist and delicate, water lock water so that the skin soft and shiny, snowy muzzle permeability. The way how to use sheet mask are simple, guys. Take a sheet mask, then put onto your face. After that, wait about 15 until 20 minutes. Next, remove the sheet mask from your face. Last, tap your face with your hands. Use lip balm. As you can see, my lips are dry. Before I'm going to sleep, I always put lip balm on my lips. I use lip balm from Vaseline's product. Just apply the lip balm on your lips, then smooth it out. Okay, that's all about my routine skincare. As you can see, I don't have so many routine skincare. It's very simple, right? Before you close my video, please answer the questions in the box and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my video. I am Ayu Seniari. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next video.